All right, this is Daniel, Pwn CNC. We're here to put a Dupont connector on. I'm by no means an expert, but I will do my best to inform. You've already seen the close-up photos, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crimper here. I've already cut my female piece here, and I've taken my needle nose pliers to kind of adjust that, to make sure those are nice and squared off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crimpers, make sure I put it right here on the right side, so notice the orientation of the piece. The wire is going to come in this side. The Dupont connector is going to come in from this side. So I'm going to set the Dupont connector in there first. Nice and gentle. I'm going to click this down. Click it down a couple of clicks, just so that it holds the Dupont connector and I can free my hand. Pay special attention to the clicker back here. This is the lock that holds it in place. I've already taken my wire. I am going to clean it up just a little bit. I'm going to remove a tiny bit more material of the wire there. It doesn't need to be super long. So I've taken that. I've got my crimper in my right hand, my wire in my left. I'm going to set the wire gently into the hole there. It's really hard to see on the video. That's why I took a lot of close-ups. But set the wire in there gently and slowly tighten your grip until, pay attention to that clicker down there. There, it just released. So let go of your grip, it releases, and you're good. If you keep gripping, it's potential that you could snap off and break these wires. These are delicate wires. So yeah, hopefully you found that informative. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below if you're watching the video from the thing. But yeah, back to it. Thanks.